Hello everybody, my name is Alex with Sigala Designs. Today is very special and truly deserves its own video just because of the type of car we're doing and exactly what we're doing to this very special car. So let's go ahead. We just got to the vault over here in San Antonio, Texas, and we're gonna kind of give you guys a little tour. Now, typically there isn't filming or photos allowed inside, but these guys were super cool with us, so they did allow us to film. And we gotta wait for this plane to cut. We'll check in with you guys in a little. So as I was saying, these guys at the vault were super cool to allow us to film content for all of you and to bring you guys along for this experience. Correct me if I'm wrong, Adrian, but I believe this is the first car that the first of this type of car that will be getting this upgrade. I'm not sure, even the people that make this kit don't have any photos of their kit on this car, so I'm excited. But let's go ahead, walk in through the doors, and guys, just look at the entrance that you're automatically met by when coming into the vault. So here you have a little waiting room. It's honestly really nice. And over here, guys, we have a car that is currently getting a full detail PPF. Now, he told you what it was. You want to go ahead, tell him exactly what all the people are looking at?
It's a fully built motor, bigger turbos. I think he said 1700 wheel horsepower.
That's insane. Honestly, I know you're fangirling over this right here.
It's a dream car. That's fine. Drag radials all the way around. Like, you can tell, just absolute monster. And yeah, you can tell the motor's built for sure. Has 12 injectors if anybody knows anything about GTRs. You normally need 6. This one has 12.
And this color is
it's paint
unlike.
too.
Yeah, it's not a wrap, it's paint. Now, I don't know anything about this color. I don't know exactly what color you would call this. But if I'm able to find it.
No photography?
Oh, no photography. Oh, okay, hey, we gotta cut. So now comes to walking into the main room where we will be doing the install. And you guys can see we already have the Z06 lifted up on some jack stands. And now I think comes the time to tell them what we're doing. You know, I think they've waited long enough. You know, we kind of elongated telling them, but this Z06 will be getting a full carbon fiber Aero kit. Now, I know you guys are saying, well, you guys have done many Aero kits on Z06s. Well, the only thing with this is it is also getting a vertical door kit as well. Yes, this will be our first Z06 that will be having vertical doors on. So we are doing both installs at once here at the vault. The color of this Z06 is actually an anniversary color, which is the all carbon flash paint. So if you guys want to come a little closer, in the light you can actually see kind of that carbon flash metallic just shining. And honestly, in person, to see a car with this color, it's absolutely beautiful. And of course, we're surrounded by plenty of other beautiful cars here that are held in storage. And well, guys, this is huge news for us at Sigala to be able to work on a car of this type and be able to install vertical doors on. So of course, we wanted to bring you guys along. We are going to be getting a ton of content for you. So hey, sit back, grab your popcorn, and enjoy the rest of the video. So I know for many, seeing a Z06 like this without the fenders, seeing us on the GoPro cutting the frame, cutting like these little brackets, we already got the fenders all cut up. Now I know it may seem nerve-wracking, and don't get me wrong, working on almost a $250,000 car, yes, it can be, but with enough experience, honestly, this is just like any other C8 as far as working on the actual vertical door hinge itself. So right now, Adrian, you might see him under the car, and well, you might be thinking, well, there he is. What is he doing under the car if you guys are doing vertical doors? Well, remember, this car is getting an Aero kit as well. So we are taking advantage of having the wheel well off to be able to cut the cutouts for the dive planes, and then he's going ahead and getting the under tray all removed so we can actually install the splitter as well. So we're kind of working on both multitasking, taking advantage of the different parts that we have off to both install the vertical doors and the actual Aero kit itself. So that is where we're at currently with the install. Now, another thing I want to mention is if you or anyone you know has a Z06 or C8 and you guys are interested in purchasing either the kit, the vertical door kit, or the actual Aero kit, or any other parts available for both the Z06 and C8, make sure to check out our website, sigaladesigns.com, where you will find the whole list of products that we have available for both models. So yes, we do travel, we do fly all over the country to do these installs, and well, right now you guys can see exactly how much we've been traveling recently just by the videos that we have been uploading to all of you to watch, basically. So I just wanted to let you guys know that yes, all this can be found on our website. In case you haven't heard of us or you haven't checked it out, make sure to go do so. The links will be all in the description. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get back to this install so we don't waste any more time and we can get this car done with both the vertical doors and the Aero kit. So now guys, I know I left you off showing you that Adrian was taking off the undershield, and well, here you guys can see that the front lip is installed with both dive planes. It's gonna be a pretty big moment when we're first able to get the doors opened up. So that's what Adrian is doing right now, which is removing the stock hinges. So let's go ahead and update you guys once those are actually off.
1 million, zillion, jillion, dillion, cotillion times later.
So unfortunately guys, you guys do see the car put back together. Now, one thing that we did realize later in the install, once we actually went to install the vertical door hinge itself, was the hinge did not fit, bro. We were unable to do it. Now, you guys saw we did already make the cuts just to make room for the hinge, and well, we were taking a shot in the dark with it, and unfortunately, well, the bolts didn't line up. I mean, we were struggling, bro.
I mean, it was just different from the Stingray. I mean, what did we expect, you know?
Exactly. So, oh well. I mean, one thing we were able to get out of this install was the door moldings were installed. So while Adrian had the door panel off, he got the door handle on.
You should look at the inside of this.
Yeah, make sure to look at the inside of the... Oh shit! Well guys, the first Z06 with vertical doors is now officially complete. Let us know if we got you in the comments, but here we have it out and up. Here's the first one in this anniversary color, which is the full carbon flash paint. And well, there you guys can see exactly how it looks like. Now, with the front end done with the Aero kit, we have the 3-piece front splitter, we have the dive planes and the rockers all in carbon fiber. It honestly ties it together very well. Now, one thing you guys do notice is these are actually still off the car because we are allowing them the time to cure. So the next part of this install will be the high wing. Yes, this customer did get the option for the high wing. So let's go ahead, bring the car up on the lift, and then we'll go ahead and get that rear bumper removed and kind of finish up this car. Here you guys have it first. For all of you that were having doubts, make sure to check out our website where we will have pictures of this car up. And oh man, guys, if you guys were hesitant on doing vertical doors on your Z06, it completely transforms it, and we highly recommend contacting us, and let's get your install scheduled.
A few moments later.
So here we have it, guys. The Z06 is officially finished. Now, I know you guys saw that missing piece, but we went ahead, put the 3-piece door molding set on. The wing is all bolted up with the whole cover and the bracket. I mean, everything is tightened up, so the car is officially ready to be outside to get photos for you guys to see exactly how the C8 Z06 turned out with the vertical doors and the full carbon fiber aero kit. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this thing started up and take her outside for the first time now that it has been fully transformed. So, of course, we want to hear your feedback. What do you guys think? Oh my God, just look at all that carbon and how it looks, guys. We want to know, what do you guys think? So now that we're in the car, the install is done. Dude, we did it. The world's first Z06 with vertical doors. This isn't clickbait, guys. You guys saw it for yourselves. So as always, if you guys are interested in the vertical door, we will leave the link in the description. And hey, who knows, maybe we might be the ones to fly out to you if you decide to pull the trigger on vertical doors for your Z06.